I'm back again, and guess what? We're gonna fit a Molle panel with our tub slide. How cool is this? So you've all seen the video on the tub slide. How cool is that? With a carbon fiber handle. Woo! Sexy as. Anyway, we're gonna fit one of our Molle panels to the side. So you will have to modify it. So let's see what we need to modify to get the Molle panel in. You wanna have a look? I've already done one. So this is one already pre-done on the right-hand side. Everything's mounted up. You got your PowerPoint access. Holds the PowerPoint open, how good's that? So it's all mounted, and we're gonna do the left-hand side now to match the right-hand side. So I've already pre-marked it. Let's have a look at the measurements. So this is the left-hand side. You're gonna come in 50 mil from that corner, okay? And you're gonna come up 15 mil, okay? So you're gonna cut this whole section, the whole way around 15 mil, the whole way to there. So when we come around to here, you're gonna cut 170 from here to here, all right? So 170 from there, all the way up to there, 10 mil in, so we're going to cut this whole section the whole way along, all right? Now, once we've squared that off, I'll just get the flapper wheel and I'll just round this so it's nice and smooth. And we've also taken off 8 mil down, so you need to elongate these slots 8 mil down, so we're going to do that as well. So there you go, I've modified it, shaped it, it's cut in there, 15 mil, come around here, all the way up, this is 10 mil here. There you go, that's what it looks like after it's been cut and painted. Okay guys, so now that should go straight into the car. Now depending on the car, the brackets can vary from left to right slightly. So that side, they were the measurements for, but I've actually just had to take in a little bit more. So I've taken another 5-10 mil off the top here. So don't be scared to take more, like I said, 170. However, even 180 will be fine. So 180, you'll just cut it a little bit higher, all right? And then with this section here, I'm just gonna take a bit out because the bracket's a bit tight and the holes aren't quite lining up. So I'm just gonna take a little bit off this. I might notch that off and then straighten it, and then blend it with a flapper wheel. So I've just cut that diagonally across, all right? And then I'm gonna get the flapper wheel and just smooth it off. So there you go, just sprayed it and I've just curved it off a little bit, all right? See that little curvature in that bracket there, where that little section is? It'll be enough to clear that so it can recess, and because what you're trying to do is this bracket is thicker, and obviously this is not designed to go with this bracket. We're just making the Molle panel fit, and it's a lot easier to modify alloy because it's softer and it won't rust as well. So nice and easy. All right, let's see if everything lines up. All right, so now you can see in here, we'll put the factory recovery point back in with the bolt, so it's all mounted down there. We're gonna put this top bracket up here now, okay? You don't need to modify this, and you don't need to modify the back one. You'll be able to make this reach as well, so you just need to remove that grommet. Now, there's a full video on how to install this. So this is the middle bracket. You don't necessarily need that. That goes in here, and then you drill a nutsert into your tub. Okay, and that gives it additional support. Now, you do not necessarily need that. It also acts as a divider between here and here, so it's like your halfway point, all right? So when you put stuff in, it doesn't fall down there, and when you put stuff there, it doesn't go up here. You don't necessarily need that. I'm not putting it in because this customer said it's all right, I don't need it. I don't want the nutsert in here. So we're gonna leave that out, but if you want to do that, we have got a video on how to install this completely. So I'm gonna quickly install that and then we'll see what it looks like. Hey guys, so we've finished the tub slide. How cool is it? Look at this, ready? So we've also installed it with our Molle panels. So it comes all the way out. So you can see, I'll pull it all the way out. That's what it looks like. All right. Look at that carbon fiber, mate. Woo! Goes all the way in. All right. No movement, it latches in. It's got adjustment knobs on the back. Also comes with a net as well. So this we've just attached to our Molle panels on the side. That's what it looks like. And then these are our Molle panels installed with it. I've got a video coming out on how to install this as well, all right, where you notch it for the brackets that hold the tub slide in. And look at this. Literally holds your PowerPoint. How cool is that? Mate, look at this, ready? Oh, sick. Anyway, and he's got our trifold cover on here as well. What do you guys think? I hope that video helped you install it.